Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping by, and in this video I will give you an update on food choices and adjustments now that I'm into my 1.5 years wearing adult braces. I will compare my experiences with my 13-year-old son who also got his 5 months ago. I hope you enjoy. Let's begin. First topic is type of food. My son didn't adjust at all to anything, any food, and according to him, he still eats the food he ate before he got braces. For him, it is just annoying now with food getting into wires and brackets. I, on the other hand, am different. Fresh, crunchy fruits and veggies are now a challenge to eat for me. Apples, celery, carrots, sugar snap peas, fresh greens, beans, broccoli, and bell peppers. All of these favorites of mine, I now eat boiled and in soups. And if they're not cooked that way, if they're not soft, then it's hard for me to eat now. Second is the how to eat the food. My son again didn't have to adjust. He eats pretty much everything like before. For the crunchy fruits, veggies, and food, he slices them into small pieces. I also eat food differently now. As an example, pizza. I scrape the top of the pizza and eat them in small pieces. Can you believe that? I don't eat burgers in buns anymore. I slice them and eat the burgers with rice. I pretty much tear the buns if I want to eat buns in burger, and I eat them separately. With chips, I powder the chips basically, put them on top of rice. So I crush the popcorns when I eat them. When I eat them. I slice almost everything I eat. That includes strawberries, grapes, bananas, pretty much everything, because my front bite is not good anymore. They're not aligned, and my molar bites are also weaker now. So it is important that the size of the food is small enough for me to swallow and then soft enough for me to swallow. The next one is the food that we gave up, or the food that we started eating after we got braces. My son has not given up anything nor changed any food choices. I, on the other hand, started eating more grains, soups, pasta, and anything bigger in size that I can swallow. If it's bigger than that, I have to cut them in pieces. Before, I can eat while I'm driving, or I can eat pretty much anything anywhere. Now if I don't have fork and a knife, it's a challenge for me to eat. So obviously I gave up eating crunchy taco, which is one of my favorites. So I eat more of the soft taco shell now, unless this crunchy taco is like a day old. You know how they get really soft like a leftover. I can tolerate crunchy wrap though. I love that, but what I do is I pull and tug with my front teeth to take a bite. So I don't really bite, I just more like kind of very gently bite like this and then kind of pull it. Okay. I gave up fresh apples, celery, broccoli, carrots, sugar snap peas. Those are my favorites. Like, imagine them, they're very crunchy. You dip them in dressings, or your favorite dressings. I started drinking naked juice a lot. So I go with the super greens, or the strawberry banana naked juice, or the power mango. So I wanted to stay healthy, and I want to stay or keep eating healthy. So I started drinking a lot of those juices. I also started eating more ramen and noodle soup and soft fruit. So I remember my first few months in my braces, I bought a lot of those fruits that are in small containers or cans, and I would pretty much eat yogurt and fruit almost all day because I have not adjusted to the pain nor the biting. Because of that, I lost a ton of weight. Even gummy vitamins, I changed them into tablets that I could easily swallow with water. Okay, the fourth one is drinks. Did we give up any drinks or anything that we drank before we have the braces? No, both my son and we didn't change anything on the drink side. So we don't really drink soda. I don't drink alcohol, and therefore water, iced coffee, iced tea, hot coffee, water, lemonade, those are pretty much the same intake after getting braces. Nothing much has changed. Ice cream, I'm not a big ice cream eater. Well, my son is the same. I start eating more yogurt though, because I am so hungry, I don't know what to eat, and yogurt is such a easy to go food, whether I am on the go or not. I just put them in baggies, you know, those insulated baggies, and they're so easy to eat. So there you have it. Thank you for watching my video. Please continue to support me by clicking the subscribe, like, and notification bell buttons. And in the meantime, I hope you guys continue to make all your dreams come true. Take care, stay safe, stay positive, and see you again soon. Bye!